everyone. I made these earrings yesterday. So cute. And I also made a matching ring. And I'm going to show you how to make a matching bracelet. So our materials. I have two colors of my 11O seed beads. This is metallic purple, and this one is purple aqua, and also I have the Bicon 3mm, and also Super Deuce, and I also need a jump ring. I mean a clasp with a jump ring. I already attached the jump ring, and I also have an inch of chain, and my beading needle number 11, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. So first I pick up 4 of Super Deuce and 4 Bicon, and I use first my my metallic purple 11O seed beads, and I put it alternate, and in between is the metallic purple seed bead. I'll just pass through all the beads. So I'm going to just leave like 7 inches to work on the end later. So my thread is coming out from Bicon, pass through seed bead and Super Deuce, then pass through the top hole, then pick up my aqua, purple aqua, pass through the next Super Deuce, then pick up another aqua, purple, pass to the next Super Deuce, pick up another one, then pick up another one, then pass through, Then I'll pick up 3 of my metallic purple. Pick up another 3. Then pick up another 3. So pick up 3 metallic purple. Then pass through. Exit to the middle, seed bead. Then I'll pick up 2 metallic purple, 1 super dew, and 2 metallic purple. Then pass through. Then pass through super dew and the seed bead. Then pick up. So right now I'm using the metallic purple. So I pick up bicon, seed bead, super dew, seed bead, bicon, super dew. Bicon, seed bead, super dew, seed bead, bicon, seed bead, super dew, seed bead, and bicon. Going to pass through the seed bead, the super dew, and seed bead. Then pass to the top hole of the super dew. Then pick up my aqua purple, pass to the next super dew. Then pick up another one, pass to the next. Pick up another one, then pass to the next. Then pick up another one, pass to the next super dew. Then pick up 3 of my metallic purple, then pass through. Then pick up another 3. Then pick up another 3. Then pass through. So I pick up 2 metallic purple, 1 super dew, and 2 metallic purple. Pass through super dew in the first seed bead. And I'm going to pick up. So I'm still using my my metallic purple. So I pick up Bicon, the seed bead, super dew, seed bead, Bicon, seed bead, super dew, seed bead, Bicon, seed bead, super dew, seed bead, Bicon. And my thread is coming out from seed bead, and I'm passing through seed bead, Bicon, and exit to seed bead. Then pass through Bicon and exit to super dew. Then pass through the top hole of the super dew and pick up my aqua purple. Pass to the next super dew, aqua purple, pass to the next, one more, and another one, and pass through super dew, seed bead, and super dew. Pass through. Then pick up 3 of the metallic. Okay, another 3. So I'm going to add more components until I reach my desired length. I have the length that I want. So I have 10 components, and the size of this is 6 inches and 1/4. So so my thread is coming out. So I'm going to pick up 5 of my metallic purple. I'm sorry, I'll make it 7 of my metallic purple, and then attach my jump ring. Guess I'm going to pass it one more time just to reinforce. Then I'll make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. Then couple of knots. Then I'll cut my thread. Just want my bracelet to be secured. Then I'll do the same the other side, and I can attach my my chain. So my thread, then I'll pick up 7, then attach my chain and pass through, then one more time, then again one more time. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. So I'm going to just make some couple of knots before I cut my thread, and it's done. So it's done. It's pretty with a matching earrings and a ring, and also made in this color too, green and gold. So guys, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and happy beading.